Hello and welcome back to Automobility Store's YouTube channel. My name is Greg and it is a new year, 2026, and I wanted to go over my top 3 recommendations for mobility scooters for airline travel. The 3 scooters that I have picked, I thinking more on the lines of stowable scooters, some that you can possibly put in the overhead compartment of the airline. Also, all 3 of these scooters have the airline compliant batteries, and I thought about your comfort and really everything that's important to you when you are flying on the airplane. So let's get started. The first scooter today that I picked is by Golden Technologies. This is the Buzzaround CarryOn HD. Let's take a look. Okay, so the Buzzaround CarryOn HD scooter by Golden Technologies. This scooter has a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. It's one of the heaviest folding mobility scooters out there on the market as far as weight capacity goes. So 400 pound weight capacity. This also comes with a 12.5 amp hour lithium battery, as well as a 6.5 amp hour spare travel battery. So the 6.5 amp hour battery is the airline compliant battery. This one you are able to take on the airplane. Also comes with a travel case for that extra battery. So a lot of great features with that. You've got the A and C USB ports. So when you're at the airport or wherever your location is that you end up at, you have multiple ways to charge your cell phone, your tablet, really anything that connects into those ports. You're also going to get a free cane holder, a cup holder. You've got different color options as far as the shrouds go that are just easily interchangeable. So this scooter, basically when you do fold it up, you will want to check with the airline, but typically you can, put this in the overhead compartment or just leave it, at the gateway and they'll take it from you at that point. But when this thing is folded, it's only 14 inches tall. So this scooter folds in a horizontal direction. So when completely folded with the seat removed, it's only 14 inches tall. So the Golden Buzzaround CarryOn HD by Golden Technologies is my first recommendation for your airline scooter. All right, next, another wonderful folding scooter. This one is made by Pride Mobility. This is the Pride Mobility Carbon folding scooter. This thing is made fully out of carbon fiber. Let me go over the specs because this is the lightest one on the market for folding scooters. So let's take a look at the GoGo Carbon folding scooter. The GoGo Carbon, when the battery is removed, this scooter only weighs 35 pounds. It's super, super lightweight. You can also tow it around basically like a suitcase. So let's say you don't need your scooter at all times. You are able to fold it up. If you're walking through the airport, if it's easier for you, you can tow this just like one of your pieces of luggage. Also comes with an airline compliant battery, so you're not going to have any issues with that. Again, as mentioned, crafted with complete carbon fiber, so it's very the material is very strong, but very, very lightweight. Another thing for your added security, this scooter comes with the NFC key fob ignition technology. So you need a specific NFC key to be able to start your scooter. So not just anybody can come up, turn your scooter on and take off. Again, your airline compliant lithium battery, it's going to give you a range of about 10 miles, which is plenty to get around at your destination. You've got the nice flat free non-scuffing tires, and then a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. So the GoGo Carbon folding mobility scooter by Pride Mobility is another wonderful folding scooter to take on your trips. Airline compliant and good to simplify your day-to-day. All right, my last recommendation For airline travel scooters, it's going to be another GoGo model by Pride Mobility. This is the GoGo Super Portable. Let's take a look. The GoGo Super Portable folding scooter, in my opinion, is a little closer to the Buzzaround CarryOn HD that I first mentioned, as this one does fold up into a nice horizontal flat piece of scooter. This one weighs only 41.6 pounds with that battery removed. But then your folding depth, when you fold this down, it's only 12 inches in height. You don't have to remove the seat on this scooter. So this is a perfect one if you're looking for something a little faster, in the folding department, a little easier, and just as lightweight. This also features Pride's exclusive Charge 360 magnetic charging, which just makes charging so much easier. You don't have to align 3 pins when putting your charger, connecting that into your scooter. This one is a magnet. You simply place the magnet on there in any direction. It's going to stick. It's going to light up and show you that you've made a good connection. So whether you're navigating through the streets at your destination or just cruising through that airport, this GoGo Super Portable definitely delivers that performance, but without that heavy weight. This one does come with a 12 amp hour airline compliant lithium battery, and that's going to give you a 10 mile per charge range, which is just super high for a scooter at this size. And then you have a nice weight capacity of 300 pounds, front and rear LED lighting, and just a lot of comfort. I think the GoGo Super Portable folding scooter is definitely a great recommendation for your airline travel. So if you want to take a look at all the specifications of the 3 scooters that I just went over, you can click on the links in the descriptions. If you have questions, you can call Automobility Store directly at 800-431-3183. We wish you a happy new year and safe flights, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.